Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. He is just so cute. This is one of the PalmPal's stuffies. They're collectible. And this one in particular, his name is Ruff Ruff Puppy, a melodic performer. Ruff Ruff takes the stage with his great voice. Oh my gosh. It's nice. It's really nice. I got this for my kids. I thought, that they would really enjoy this. It's so soft. You can see about this. It literally fits in the palm of your hand. His nose, cute as a button. Let's take a closer look. Whoop. There we go. Oh my goodness. He is just so soft to touch. So sweet. Little tail. And he feels like a beanie. There's a little, it's like a bean bag. It's a nice sensory touch, I think. Very nice. Let's measure him or her. Ruff, ruff. Let's see. Yep, standing roughly, I want to say 3.5 inches. And about 3 inches wide. So cute. This is such a great giftable toy for my little ones. Definitely recommended. This is a great product. It's so sweet, so soft. What a nice find.